Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the TechRoid. And today we're going to take a look at the top 5 things the Google Play Store does better than the Apple App Store. Android or iOS? It's done one of the modern greatest unanswered question at the point of the moments. Contention for a fanboys on both sides of the fence of thousands of years, or maybe just the past decade. Clearly, Apple created a mobile operating system that is incredibly smooth, snappy, and clear than the Android. Android has got it quite good. Google Play Store more developer friendly. From the very beginning, Apple has been extremely selective about the apps that are allowed on the App Store. The reason for being selective was basically for a quality assurance. Sure enough, iOS apps has surely gained a reputation for working well and being quite polished. As just a single example, Snapchat for iOS is infamously better than the Android version. Next one, more discoverable. Here are something that you might not have known about the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. When you search for an app, you are somewhat more likely to find what you are looking for in a Google Play Store than the Apple App Store. Let me explain why. The Google Play Store runs your search query through basically all the textual information available on an app page. For example, you could search the Play Store using a series of keywords or a phrase of store. Would scan even the description of an app to find ones that most closely resemble your query. By comparison, the Apple App Store compare your query against the keyword that developer manually enter into a keyword section which exists in specifically for this purpose. This is not a problem if your query happen to be one of the keyword for your desired app, but if you are searching something that bit more specific, you may have harder time to finding the iOS app that fit your need. Play Store has a more social factor. Historically, downloading and using apps was something we did individually. We found apps on our own, decided whether to download them on our own and use them on our own. Over time, thoughts of finding and using apps has become more social, at the least in the Google Play Store. When you pull up app page in the Google Play Store, certainly information in the front and the center. You will easily spot the app's accumulative rating as well as if any of your friends use or recommended the app. Considering that many apps, particularly games, can connect with other apps user, even using apps has become a more social experience. Number 4. Android apps are less expensive. To a degree, the highly price of iOS apps is a statement on how much harder it is to develop to get their apps on the App Store versus the more laid back Google Play Store. Clearly, there is a more competition on the Google Play Store, which is why Android apps tend to either be a cheaper or free. Think about it this way. Maybe you have made a really great app that many would consider worth its cost, but there are a dozen other apps that offer a similar functionality and comparable quality. Users are likely to make do with the one that's free. Number 5. Google Play Store provides superior information. It might seem so odd to say that Google Play Store offers more info than the Apple App Store. After having just say that both app makers offer virtually the same information. That's still the true, but the Google Play Store tends to show a bit more and have that info organized a little better. On the Apple App Store, only way to experience an app before you downloading it a view provided screenshots. The Google Play Store provides screenshot too, but oftentimes with the videos. Say videos can be commercially made by the app developer or brief recording of the app being to use. However, in either case, the video is much better at giving you an idea of what you can expect from the app and even how to use this app. So guys, that's it. Hope you like this video. Give a like if you like Android or Apple, and let me know in the comment below what do you think about these two app stores. Which one do you think is better for you? So as always, we will see you in a very next one. Have a great day.